Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Home Assistant to Tuya devices, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Home Assistant dashboard in your web browser. Navigate to the sidebar and select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Devices and Services. Locate the Integrations tab and click on it. In the bottom right corner, click the plus Add Integration button. A search bar will appear. Type Tuya into the search bar. Select the Tuya integration from the list of options. You will be prompted to provide your Tuya account credentials. Input your Tuya email and password in the designated fields. Select the region where your Tuya account is registered. Click Submit to proceed. The integration will attempt to connect to your Tuya account. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message. All your Tuya devices will be automatically imported into Home Assistant. Navigate to the Overview dashboard to view your newly added Tuya devices. You can now configure automation and create scenes using your Tuya devices. If you encounter any issues, check the logs in Home Assistant for troubleshooting. Ensure that your Tuya account is linked to the correct home in the Tuya app. Revisit the Tuya integration in Home Assistant to refresh the connection if needed. Your devices should now function seamlessly within your Home Assistant setup. Explore the various features to maximize the potential of your smart home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.